Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my own personal experiences with the product. Today, we're diving into Quantifeed, a company that offers automated digital wealth management solutions. You can find them online at www.quantifeed.com. Quantifeed empowers financial institutions to offer personalized investment portfolios and advice to their clients through a sophisticated digital platform. Their services cater to a wide range of businesses, from large banks and wealth managers to smaller fintech companies. What sets Quantifeed apart is its focus on using advanced algorithms and data analysis to build customized investment strategies. They leverage technology to streamline the investment process, making it more efficient and accessible for everyone. Instead of relying on traditional, often time-consuming methods, Quantifeed uses its innovative platform to analyze market data, assess risk tolerance, and generate optimal portfolio allocations. This automated approach allows financial advisors to focus on building client relationships and offering more personalized financial guidance, rather than getting bogged down in complex calculations and manual processes. This translates to a more efficient, data-driven approach to investing. Furthermore, Quantifeed's platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows clients to easily monitor their investments and track their progress. This level of transparency is essential for building trust and empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. The platform's flexibility is another key strength, offering customization options to cater to the specific needs of different financial institutions and their individual clients. They can tailor the platform to align with their brand, integrate it seamlessly with existing systems, and offer a truly branded digital wealth management experience. By automating many of the complex tasks associated with wealth management, Quantifeed allows financial advisors to scale their services and reach a broader audience. This not only benefits the advisor but also empowers more people to access sophisticated investment strategies and achieve their financial goals. So, if you're a financial institution looking to enhance your digital offerings, or an individual interested in learning more about automated investing, be sure to check out Quantifeed at www.quantifeed.com. It's a powerful tool that's shaping the future of digital wealth management.